Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. So let's get started. And one thing to mention before we start is that if your battery level on your watch is quite low, please charge your watch before we continue. Something above 30% I would say would be good enough. And once the battery is charged, we can continue. And now we need to enter the recovery mode. And this part is a bit tricky. What we need to do is to press and hold both buttons on our watch until the watch turns off, then release them. And if nothing happens after a few seconds, press and hold them again, keep holding them for a few seconds, and then release them again. And at that point, you should see a rebooting message on the screen. Once you see it, start pressing the home button repeatedly to enter the boot mode. And there we can select the recovery mode and enter it. So, like I said before, we need to start by pressing and holding the buttons. Keep holding them until the watch turns off. And after it turns off, keep holding them for a few more seconds, then release them. Okay, like this. And if nothing happens, press and hold the buttons again. So let's wait a few more seconds and see. Okay, nothing happens, so let's press and hold the buttons again. Keep holding them for a few more seconds and then release them again. And after that, you should see a rebooting message on the screen. So we should be good now. We can release the buttons and wait. And if nothing happens again, we need to repeat the step. So press and hold the buttons again. Apparently, we didn't hold them long enough. So keep holding more. At some point, you should see the rebooting message on the screen. Okay, and then start pressing the home button repeatedly to enter the boot menu. And here we have it. We are in the boot menu or reboot mode, they call it. And now we can scroll through this menu by using the back button like this. Select the recovery boot, the second option, and then press and hold the home button. And the watch will reboot and it will enter the recovery menu. And here we have it. And the recovery menu is quite barren, I would say. You have only a factory reset option. The rest of them are gone. Usually you had some more options like clear cache or cache rather. Some other stuff like enter bootloader and stuff like this. But here on this watch you have only wipe data / factory reset. And to select it, you can use the back button to scroll down. After you select it, you can press the home button to confirm. Then scroll down to factory data reset, press the home button to confirm, and the watch will start wiping. Like this. And once it's done with the wiping process, select the reboot system now and press the home button to confirm. And the watch will reboot, start initializing and stuff like that. So it will take a while. But once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And here we have it. As you can see, we have the list of languages on the screen. That means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.